Hello friend, today we will discuss Cambridge O-level maths past paper of October-November 2025. It's a 2-hour non-calculator paper. So let's see how can we solve this paper. So we will discuss one by one how can we do that. Okay, so Root recorded the color of each 24 chord, and the first one is a blue. So first we need to see the blue, how many blue are there. It's a 1 blue, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So it's a 5. So it is represented 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a 5. Okay. Now a gray one. So gray is, it's a gray 1, 2, it's a 3. So these are the 3, and 3 is written 1, 2, 3. Then we have a red one part, red 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is written 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a 5, and 1 is a 6. Then we have a silver. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's a 8. 8 will be written 5 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's a 5, and 1, 2, 3. It's a 8. And then we have a white. White is a 1 white, and 2. So it's a 2. The 2 is written 1 and 2. So this is our answer. Draw a bar chart to show the information in the table. Complete the scale on the frequency. Okay, blue is how much? Blue is a 5. So how will you write? It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be here 5. Then gray is how much? Gray is a 3. So 3 we can say 1, 2, 3. 3. Then we have a 6. Red is a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can take it here 6. Then 8. Silver is 8. 6, 7, and 8. This will be 8. Okay. And then 2. White is a 2. So this is a 2. So we need to just draw it. Either we can take it from 0 or just make it here, and we will join each point. Okay, and then it is goes here, it's 0 part. That's it. So this is answer. Now the question number 2 we will discuss here. Workout. It's a very easy questions. It's you can consider point 2.0. It's a 20. So 78 minus 20. So it will be 58. So 5.8. Okay. And this will be multiplied when minus is, that is a plus, and 8 into 5, that is 40. Now these questions